All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
My topic is describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future. I have explored a plethora of places, but here I would love to talk about special city, which is the dream of numerous people. The name of this city is Kashmir, and the city is famous for its natural beauty and outstanding designing. The people call this place the piece of heaven, and the people of the city is very friendly, brotherhood, as well as peace loving. In this city, there are many beautiful places where we visit every day, and many visitors come from the other countries to visit this place. And in this city, we also met with different peoples, and also learned to the different culture. Also learn to the different culture, and in this city there are many beautiful places and many beautiful malls, and where we visit, and that's why I would prefer to live in this place to the future.
Okay, 1 minute and 19 seconds. Overall, it's good. Now, the topic was describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future. So, mainly it should be present and future. But you used some past structures as well. First thing is you need to focus your pronunciation. You said talk. Actually, it is talk. So, like this, you need to focus. Then you said people is friendly. People are friendly, right? And then you said people is friendly and brotherhood. Now, friendly and brotherhood, they don't match. You should say people are friendly and there is also brotherhood among the people, like that. Then you said we met. It can be we can meet because place you would like to visit. Then you said learn to different cultures, not learn to, learn about. So these type of prepositional mistakes are there as well. So looking at your overall performance, I would rate you at bench score 5. Yeah, with grammar you can improve.